beloved child, stop trying to open doors I've already locked. That relationship, that opportunity, that place, it didn't fall apart by accident. I closed it because it was beneath your calling. You keep looking back, but I'm calling you forward. If you knew what I prepared for you, you wouldn't cry over what you lost. I'm not delaying you, I'm protecting you. That silence, it's me working behind the scenes. That rejection, it's redirection. Let go of what's gone. I've got better, greater, higher things for you, but I can't bless hands that won't let go of the past. The next chapter begins when you stop reopening old ones. Trust me, I never take without giving better. If you receive this message, comment amen and share it with a friend. God bless.